strawberry. Okay, so magkano?
Mag-tour ka, Cha. Yung may accent.
This is the Billy Emilia. Welcome to the fish pond, and the pavilion is out there, and Nipah Hut, and look, Bermuda grass.
Bermuda girl.
Yes. You see the lips? It's colorful. It's the violet. Ay!
Ay! Bigla kang
Wow! Perfect.
Perfect. Wala siyang nasabi. Anong so perfect?
You see, this is the paradise. What you call? And this is a guava.
May bunga. Ay, no, ganda na.
Yes, this is so delicious. Delicious.
Tigas. Sabes, ang dami kong bayabas.
Ay, hanggang pa yung kinakain mo, bulala.
Ay, ang cute nito. Hati-hati.
Bari-bara po pa ano. Ay, tawa ka na ay, tawa ka. You see the fruit? It's big, you know?
Ay, puta na.
Ay,
Yuck.
Ay, salamat ah. There's no fish. There's a red tide. No. Green tide. Green tide. Okay? You bring that to Italy, okay? And
You're gonna miss me.
Hi,
hello.
I need my dancing.
Asim naman. Ang tamis kaya.
Ay, nako. Asim? There's something moving in the water, you know. Ano ba may isda dyan ulit?
You go there.
Okay, I'll walk. Joke.
There.
Let's go.
May mahulog eh.